I am Shubhangi, pursuing in B.Ed first year from St. Xavier's College of Education, Patna, sharing my views on the topic use of newspapers, radio, video and television in teaching and learning process. What is teaching learning process? Teaching and learning are both regarded to carry on an intimate relationship on account of their serving the same goal, that is bringing the desired modification in the behavior of the learners. They may go independently, but for good things to come, there is a need of a good relationship between them. They are to join, come near and have a synthesis known as teaching-learning process. To maximize the effects of teaching-learning process, several tools like newspapers, television, video and radio are used in the teaching-learning process. Why to use? Due to knowledge explosion, due to population explosion, for improving the quality of education, spread of useful information, sharpen awareness, inculcate abiding values, cost-effective, time-saving, enhancing creativity. First one is newspapers in teaching-learning process. Newspapers. A newspaper is a publication containing news and information and advertising usually printed on low-cost paper called newsprint. Are larger in size to magazines. Articles cover the latest national and international events, are less colorful, are published daily. Teaching with newspapers. The newspaper is the most widely used of the media as a teaching instrument in the classroom. A wide variety of skills can be taught by teaching with newspapers, including reading and writing for meaning, prediction and summarization, social skills, current event information. Currently, newspapers have transformed from paper copies to more modern forms like e-articles and e-journals on computers, iPads, tablets, and many more. Value for student. Integrating newspapers helps students learn to read for meaning. Students learn to understand media, inference and sequence of events, sort and classify, read maps and graphs, expands student vocabulary, understanding of geography, supports language and literacy development, learning across the curriculums and subjects, keeps students up to date about current events. Value for teachers. Newspapers are easily obtainable. It can help to integrate content areas, can reuse them, easily readable, easy resource to keep students up to date with current events, easy resource for any subject matter, applicable for every grade level, platform to teach social skills. Hence, newspapers are valuable source for generating necessary interest in reading. It helps in the proper development of essential language and communication skills. Source of vast information and knowledge. It helps in the development of higher order cognition abilities and skills. Next one, radio in teaching learning process. Radio broadcasting is capable of solving various problems in the field of education arising out of the shortage of man-material resources. Radio broadcasting proves a highly economical source of educational instructions. Its advantage may reach uniformly to millions of its listeners by breaking distance and time barriers. The cost per capita of listeners in educational broadcasting service is almost negligible. The main projects that describe the growth of educational radio are School Broadcast Project, Adult Education and Community Development Project, Radio Forum, Farm and Home Broadcast Project, University Broadcast Project, Language Learning Program like All India Radio for Foreign Language Enrichment, IGNOU AIR Broadcast, IGNOU AIR Interactive Radio Counseling, etc. Next, video-based learning. What are the benefits of video-based learning? Why use video? To use videos in class is just listening with pictures, but there are many reasons why video can add a special extra dimension to the teaching learning experience. Seeing language in use. One of the main advantages of video is that students do not just hear language, they see it too. This greatly adds comprehension because general meaning and moods are often conveyed through expressions, gestures, and other visual clues. Most of the students show an increased level of interest when they have a chance to see language in use as well as hear it, and when this is coupled with interesting tasks. Benefits of video-based learning. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then video may be worth 1,000,000 or more. Here are some benefits of video-based learning. It adds life to the e-learning course by making it effective and engaging. It increases learner engagement and participation. It reduces cognitive overload and maximizes retention. It provides a simpler and practical learning experience. It is a cost-effective training approach. I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. This quote is really suitable on video audio teaching learning process. Next, television in teaching learning process. TV is the electronic blackboard of the future, said by Van Foy. Educational TV is a system that presents learning content in various subjects preceded by an agency. It is a means of providing formal or non-formal education. It is an economical device that helps in saving the time of both the teacher and the students. The pupils studying in remote, rural, or underprivileged areas may be equally benefited by the TV programs. It may help in making school as a center for community welfare and education. In many states, UTs, State Institutes of Educational Technology, and at the national level, the Central Institute of Educational Technology have been producing, utilizing, monitoring, and following up the TV and radio programs for improving the quantity and quality of education. Under Educational Technology and Teacher Digital Competency Framework, several teleteach projects are running. IGNOU ETV, Swayamprabha, Doordarshan, etc. are some common examples of such TV channels which helped a lot in teaching learning process, especially at the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Hence, we saw that technology is likely to influence education enormously and can play an important role in enhancing the efficiency of the teaching learning process. The main aim of using newspapers, radio, video, and television in teaching learning process is to make it more